Hey, yeah. Reviews.
Hey guys, Craig here from cuteanimefiguresTV, and I just got a package just a couple of minutes ago. Okay, so I got a package today. Let's take a look and see what we got. Move the camera this way. The camera. Okay, let's see what we got. Yeah, I'm excited about this. Really excited. Yeah, alright. To the side and the camera back. That's a big box. Big box. And let's see what we got in here. Oh, something big here. Alright. Awesome. My Monkey D. LUffy figures here. Awesome. So I just want to say huge thank you to TokyoToys.com and a huge thank you to you all. Very awesome. So yep, this is Monkey D. LUffy, and it's just so cool. So awesome. This video will be up very soon, so yeah, very cool, awesome. Thanks guys, thank you so much, and everybody don't forget to check out TokyoToys.com, and also check out Tokyo Toys TV. Check that channel out and subscribe, and add them as a friend as well, and also don't forget to comment, rate, and watch some of their videos. So take care everybody. I'm Craig, and thanks for watching this unboxing video. Now I'm going to start building this today if I must. So yeah, one piece. This is my master grade kit. Take care everybody. Thanks for watching.